Yes, now let us get started with properties of triangles LAQ. This is class 3. So in the first class, we have covered all R related problems. In the second class, we have covered those root BC by B plus C problems. Now this is the third class where I will be doing all the remaining LAQs. So take the first question. Show that A cos square A by 2 plus B cos square B by 2 plus C cos square C by 2 equals to S plus delta by R. So let's see how to do this. First we will take LHS. LHS is A cos square A by 2 plus B cos square B by 2 plus C cos square C by 2. Now from trigonometry we know that cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos A by 2. Like cos square A by 2 can be written as 1 plus cos A by 2. Again cos square B by 2 can be written as 1 plus cos B by 2. C into, then again cos square C by 2 can be written as 1 plus cos C by 2. So if we multiply this inside, we will get A by 2 plus A by 2 cos A plus B by 2 plus B by 2 cos B plus C by 2 plus C by 2 cos C. Now I am writing A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2. Then from these three terms, if I take 1 by 2 common, we get A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos C. Now this can be written as A plus B plus C by 2 plus 1 by 2 into. Now from sine rule, small a can be written as 2r sine A cos A as it is. Then B can be written as 2r sine B. Then cos B is as it is. Then small c can be written as 2r sine C. Then cos C as it is. Now if I take r common from each bracket, we will get, now see, A plus B plus C by 2 is nothing but S. Plus if I take r common, we get r by 2. And now if you can see, if I take r common, inside we are left over with 2 sin A cos A, 2 sin B cos B. So this is the formula for sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. So that is S plus R by 2 into. Let us write this as equation number 1. Now what we will do is, now we will take only sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. So now we need to find the value of sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. So let's see how to do that. So in these two, we will apply sin C plus sin D formula. So that is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 plus sin 2C. So that is here 2 to 2 cancel and here also 2 to 2 cancel. So you get 2 sin A plus B cos A minus B plus sin 2C. Now in properties of triangles, we know that A plus B plus C is 180. So can I write A plus B as 180 minus 6? 180 minus C. Now here in the place of A plus B, we are writing 180 minus C. Now cos A minus B as it is, and then in the place of sin 2C, we are applying the formula 2 sin C cos C. Now sin 180 minus theta is sin C because 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. So in second quadrant, sine is positive. So this is 2 sine C cos A minus B plus 2 sine C cos C. Now if I take 2 sine C common, so we will get cos A minus B plus cos C. Now again the same way, like how we can write A plus B as 180 minus C, the same way C can be written as 180 minus of A plus B. So the same way I am doing here 2 sine C into cos A minus B plus cos 180 minus A plus B. So that is 2 sine C into cos A minus B. Now we know that cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So this will become minus cos A plus B. Now again we have a formula in trigonometry. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is 2 sin A sin B. This is 2 sin C and this is the formula for 2 sin A sin B. Now 2 into 2 is 4. So this is 4 sin A, sin B, sin C. Now this value we have to substitute in equation number 1. So let's see how we get it. That is equal to S plus R by 2 into S plus R by 2 into 4 sin A, sin B, sin C. 4 sin A, sin B, sin C. 2 ones are 2 twos are. That is equal to S plus 2R sin A, sin B, sin C. Now we know that 2R square sin A, sin B, sin C is delta. So one R is missing from here. So we multiply and divide by R. Here we are multiplying and dividing by R. So this will become, see, 2R square sin A sin B sin C will become delta by R. This is RHS. Hence proved. Now take this question. This question is very, very important. If cot A by 2 is to cot B by 2 is to cot C by 2 is equal to 3 is to 5 is to 7, then show that A is to B is to C is 6 is to 5 is to 4. So first let us write what is given to us. Given cot A by 2 is to cot B by 2 is to cot C by 2 is equal to 3 is to 5 is to 7. So we can write cot A by 2 by 3 is equal to cot B by 2 by 5 is equal to cot C by 2 by 7. So cot A by 2 is S into S minus A by delta by 3 is equal to S into S minus B by delta by 5 is equal to S into S minus C by delta by 7. S cancel from all the three sides and delta 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 also cancel. So you have S minus A by 3 is equal to S minus B by 5 is equal to S minus C by 7. That is equal to K, let us say. So from here we can write S minus A is equal to 3K, S minus B is equal to 5K, S minus C is equal to 7K. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3. Now let us add 1, 2 and 3. So we will get S minus A plus S minus B plus S minus C is equal to 3K plus 5K plus 7K. S plus S is 3S minus, if you take common, A plus B plus C is equal to 15K. Now we know that A plus B plus C can be written as 2S is equal to 15K. So S is equal to 15K. Now we got the value for S. Now from equation number 1, we have s minus a is equal to 3k. Let us substitute s is equal to 15k. So 15k minus a is equal to 3k. So a is equal to 12k. Same way from equation number 2, 15k minus b is equal to 5k. B is equal to 10k. Now from equation number 3, 15k minus c is equal to 7k. So c is equal to 8k. Now if we take the ratio a is to b is to c, that is 12k is to 10k is to 8k. K get cancelled. 2 6 are, 2 5s are, and 2 4s are. So that is 6 is to 5 is to 4. Hence proved. Now take the next question. This is also important. Show that cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2 equals 2 plus r by 2r. First let us take LHS. LHS is cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. In the first question which we have solved today, there we have used the same formula. Okay, so cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sine square theta. So we are writing 1 minus sine square a by 2 plus now see here, let us not disturb cos square a by 2. Cos square a by 2 we are writing as it is. Cos square b by 2 we can write 1 minus sine square b by 2. And cos square c by 2 also we are not disturbing. So that is 1 plus. Now we can group cos square a by 2 minus sine square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. That is 1 plus. Now cos square a minus sine square b. What is the formula? Cos a plus b, cos a minus b. So this is cos a by 2 plus b by 2. Cos a by 2 minus b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. Why? Since cos square a minus sine square b is equal to cos a plus b cos a minus b. Now that is 1 plus. Again we know that in properties of triangles, a plus b plus c is 180. So a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 will be 90. So a by 2 plus b by 2 can be written as 90 minus c by 2. So this cos a by 2 plus b by 2 we can write 90 minus c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. Now we also know that cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So this is sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus cos square c by 2 we can write it as 1 minus sin square c by 2. So that is 1 plus 1 will become 2. 2 plus, if I take sin c by 2 common, we will get, otherwise let us not take sin c by 2 common. First we will write cos a minus b by 2 minus sin square c by 2. Now let us take sin c by 2 common. So you will get cos a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2. Now here sin c by 2 we can write it as sin 90 minus a plus b by 2. So let's see how do we do that. So 2 plus sin a by 2 plus sine c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 minus cos a plus b by 2. Now we have a formula for this, that is 2 plus sine c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 minus cos a plus b by 2 is 2 sine a by 2 sine b by 2. So that is 2 plus 2 sine a by 2 sine b by 2 sine c by 2. So that is 2 plus. Here we are multiplying and dividing by 2r. So that will become 4r by 2r sine a by 2 sine b by 2 sine c by 2. Here we can write multiplying and dividing by 2r. So that is 2 plus. Now 4r sine a by 2 sine b by 2 sine b by 2 is the formula for small r by 2r. This is RHS. Now take this question. This model is very important. Sometimes it will be asked for SAQ and sometimes for LAQ. If they give you for SAQ, they will ask you only one bit, and if they ask you for LAQ, they will give you 2 or 3 bits. So take this question. If P1, P2, P3 are altitudes drawn from vertices ABC to the opposite sides of a triangle. So first let us draw a triangle. And let us name the vertices as A, B and C. So this is one altitude, this is another altitude, and this is the third altitude. Altitude means it is perpendicular. Now the first altitude, let's say this is D, E and F. So the first altitude is P1, then the second one is P2 and the third one is P3. Now let us see, since P1, P2, P3 are altitudes drawn from vertices ABC to the opposite sides of a triangle respectively, then area of triangle is half base into height. So that can be half BC into AD. That is half AP1. Or if you are taking the base as AC, then height will be BE. So that is half BP2. And the same way, if you are taking the base as AB, then height will be CE. This is BF. And now this is BE. This is CE and this is BF. So which is equal to half CP3. So you get P1 is equal to 2 delta by A, P2 is equal to 2 delta by B, P3 is equal to 2 delta by C. So after getting P1, P2, P3 values, let us move on to the first bit. First bit is, what is the LHS? 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3. So that is 1 by 2 delta by A plus 1 by 2 delta by B plus 1 by 2 delta by C. So that is A by 2 delta plus B by 2 delta plus C by 2 delta. So that is A plus B plus C by 2 delta. But we know that A plus B plus C is 2S. 2S by 2 delta, 2 cancel. This is S by delta. We can write it as 1 by delta by S. But we know that delta by S is R, which is equal to RHS. So this way, first bit is proved. Now for the second bit, what is LHS? P1, P2, P3. P1 is 2 delta by A, P2 is 2 delta by B and this is 2 delta by C. So this is 8 delta cube by ABC. Now you got the third part. This part you got. Now let us prove the middle part. So over here you can see we can write this as 8 into. Now delta can be written as ABC by 4R whole cube by ABC. So that is 8 into ABC whole cube by 4 cube is 64 R cube into ABC. One ABC and one ABC get cancelled. You get now 8 ones are 8 eights are 64. So you get ABC whole square by 8R cube. This is the middle part. So this is the first part and this is the second part. So everything is proved.